Oga, good morning. Good morning, Jare. Welcome. I need to quickly declare my intention on what, sir? To run as the president of the Federal Republic. Hey, yeah. Before the other aspirants finish the big board where they the country.
Now, wow. You two want to run for president?
Yes.
You that cannot even manage your company.
Jesus!
Want to rule the full country. How now? How? The only run I see in your front with this your big belly is 50 meters relay race for Yellow House in my school.
Oh no, Baba.
Ha! Security, Sanu. Sir, give her Bianca. Oga, you be like say she dey talk true. What?
Run.
With me slap.
Oh wow.
No, rubbish. Out of my way. You have no use at all. Just be frustrating you. Anyhow, I'm contesting that all. Oh, only this money slap. Eh? Maybe true to get it all. I beg, make una go get your TVC. Oh, it's very, very important and vote wisely.
Uncle, it is PVC, not TVC. How did they even employ you for this company? You know nothing.
You need to get there.
It's okay.
Hey, leave it. Leave it.
What do you want to do? I'm going to talk to my face. Give me up.